We'll guide you through how to make text visible on any background in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device. Next, select Blank Presentation in your Microsoft PowerPoint interface. Then, click the Create button located at the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, select the Layout option and choose a blank slide to start with a clean workspace. Now, go to the Insert tab and click on Text Box to add a new text area to your slide. Click on the slide to place the text box, then type any text you want, such as how to make text visible on any background in PowerPoint. Next, click the edge of the text box to select it. Go to the Home tab to customize the text appearance. Click the Font drop-down arrow and choose any font you prefer. Then, click the Font Size drop-down arrow and select the size that fits your needs. Adjust the position of the text box on the slide according to your layout preference. After that, go to the Shape Format tab for more styling options. Move your cursor to Text Fill and change it to white. Next, move your cursor to Text Outline and set it to black. Then, return to Text Outline, select Weight, and increase it to make the outline bolder. Right-click on the slide, choose Format Background, and click on Color. After that, change the background to any color you like. Using white text fill with a black outline creates strong contrast, making the text easy to see on any background. This method ensures readability regardless of the background color or image used in your presentation slides. Additionally, you can experiment with different fonts and sizes to further enhance clarity and visual impact. Keep your text large enough and avoid overly decorative fonts that may reduce legibility. You can also reposition the text box if needed to ensure it stands out clearly against the background. Once finished, review the slide in screen mode to confirm the text remains clear and readable from a distance. Finally, save your project by pressing Ctrl S on Windows or Command S on Mac. Rename your file for easy searching and click Save.